How are wood frame homes or stick homes built? This is new construction with a wood frame versus concrete block or brick, for instance. Now, I'm in a new construction neighborhood and I'm gonna walk you through, this is really fantastic because there are multiple homes at different stages of construction, so you can see actually the process of how these stick-built homes are built from the ground up. So first and foremost, here in Florida, we're in Jacksonville, Florida, these concrete slabs are actually built directly on the ground. So there's no stilts, there's no risers. The footers on the outside walls are dug a couple feet down, and then the entire foundation is poured with concrete. Now, once the concrete foundation is poured, then the outline of all the walls are attached to the slab. These exterior walls are anchored down. And then this actually are hurricane ties that are drilled down into the concrete foundation and then attached to that upper plate. And so everything is built on this treated lumber, is attached to the cement, and then all lumber built on top of that. So these interior walls, just regular lumber. At certain stages of this construction, a termite treatment is sprayed on the bottom 3 feet of all the lumber throughout the house to protect against termites specifically. And then the interior walls are filled with insulation and then drywall on top of that. Now check this out. On the outside of these stick homes, first it's all of these wood sheets. And then after these wood sheets are put up on the whole house, then it's wrapped with this weather wrapping. This weather wrapping is a fabric, and it's breathable. So it'll actually let air through the fabric, but it's a moisture barrier. So rain and water will not penetrate the fabric. It's a breathable moisture barrier. And the entire exterior is wrapped, and if there's any seams, the seams are also taped off. So you can see how it's attached here. So all of the wood goes from this stage to this stage with a wrap. Now after this wrap, here in this community specifically, it's hardy plank siding, which is a cement-based material. It's really great stuff. It could be called hardy plank, but I want to show you over here what that actually looks like as it goes up. And as long as this stuff is applied properly, it has a 50-year warranty, and all you have to do is just paint it so often. It doesn't crack. It looks beautiful and it holds up really nicely. So here we are. This is actually hardy plank siding that goes across like that. You can also see this goes directly over that wrap, that blue wrap that we were pointing out. And it actually comes this color. So it's yellow. So in case you see the siding going up on your house, and this is not vinyl siding, this is cementous siding, and you're like, my house is not yellow, don't worry. That's just the way it comes, because afterwards they paint it to whatever paint color you've specified. And then lastly, check this out. If there's going to be stacked stone, like accent stone or stucco or cobblestone on the exterior of your house, anywhere like cement is going to be applied, again, stucco, this wire mesh is applied. So there's the moisture barrier, and then that black tar paper, and then a wire mesh. This is actually very very sharp. And that's where they will apply stack stone with the cement. And that wire mesh is what makes the cement adhere to the house. And so that's how you take a home from that stick-built home all the way to a finished home like this. A key tip, maybe a pro tip, some builders use 2x4s on the exterior wall perimeters of the house, 2x4s. Some builders, specifically David Weekley, use 2x6. That's going to give you 2 additional inches of depth and rigidity. That depth is going to give you more insulation space, and the rigidity is just going to be for the overall structural soundness of your home. It may be an option with the builder that you're working with to upgrade to 2x6s on the exterior perimeter. Some builders just simply may not do it. But I hope that helps with how stick homes are built from the beginning to the end. And as always, if you're interested in new construction here around Jacksonville, St. Johns County, my hope is you'll take a few seconds and send my team and I a text message. Let us come alongside of you as your real estate agent to help you through the process. I'll see you in the next video.